शुद्धाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय। मन्दाकिनी सलिलचन्दन चर्चिताय नन्दीश्वर प्रमथनाथ महेश्वराय मन्दार पुष्प बहुपुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकराय नमः शिवाय।
Here is a perfect list of Shiva stotras for you to practice your devotion towards the Bhagavan through chanting and contemplation. First one is Mrityunjaya Stotram, composed by the greatest of the Shiva devotees, sage Markandeya. Second is Shiva Manasa.
I will tell the Mrityunjaya Stotra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe